Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. My subject is medical sciences and astrology. Today I am going to speak about the sex perversion. You know, in common in India and abroad, the sex perversion will be there. If Mercury and Mars are joined in the seventh house, the person have sex perversion. Sex perversions includes 8 types as below, which can be checked from the horoscope of male or female for taking suitable measures to correct them. Human sexuality. Sexual desires for members of the same sex. Sadism. Sexual excitement is aroused by act of cruelty, which, while often trivial, may in extreme cases results in the mutilation and murder. It is called love of inflicting pain and include bearing, slashing of women's dress, slapping, cutting her hair, ink, throwing, etc. Venus in Scorpio or Mars in Scorpio in ascendant causes sadism. In nowadays, the one man who kills her wife with the help of snake and for money, and also some are hit by something with her head and killed. The masochism, it is a definite perversion in men, but morbid intensification in women. This term means that one suffer cruelly and domination at the hands of the opposite sex for excitement of sexual desire. Otherwise, we can say satisfaction of sexual impulses by endurance of pain. For fetishism in a particular feature of masochism. Fetishism, when an inanimate object, frequently an article of clothing or a particular part of the body, acts as a source of sexual excitement. Also, shoes, feet, feminine clothing and underwear appear to be common objects of fetishism, but flowers, scents, hairs, fur and things etc. are also not all uncommon. Satya resides and nymphomania. There are abnormal intensification of sexual drive in men and women respectively. Mars and Venus and the signs Taurus, Scorpio and Capricorn are of chief importance, but would expect afflictions from Neptune. Exhibition. Satisfaction of instinctive desire to exhibit oneself. A prominent and probably angular moon seriously afflicted and afflictions between moon Mercury and Malefics. Aspects involving Cancer or the cardinal signs generally could be in the mains responsible for the sexual aberrations. Neurophils, satisfaction of sexual desire by magic, a very rare perversion, strong but very badly placed and afflicted Saturn together with the prominent Scorpio and 8th house influences. 8th house or private part. Scorpio comes the 8th house. That is our private part. So Scorpio have Venus with Ketu or Saturn. The person's moral side will be very bad. Masturbations, neither abnormally nor perversion also, but it is an artificial stimulation of genetic organs of men and women. It is due to affliction of Mars, Venus and sign Scorpio, also encouraged by 12th house positions and Libra and Virgo signs. Neptune plays a good part in these things. If Virgo and Gemini rises as ascendants and Moon Venus are posted there, the lady will be fond of happiness and have free movements with the opposite sex. If malefic planets are posted in the Rashi or Amsaka of Mars or Saturn, she will become concubine. If lords of the 2nd and 6th are afflicted due to conjunction or aspects by malefics and occupy 6th place from the Lagna, the native will be of loose morals. If Rahu or Ketu is conjoined with the 7th house Lord and is aspected by Mars or Saturn, and also Venus is afflicted due to unfavorably positions or aspects, the native is notoriously immoral during the early part of one's life. If Venus is conjoined with lords of 2nd, 6th, 7th, occupies Lagna, one will be of loose morals. If 7th house is occupied by Mars, the native is a debauch and enjoys the persons of opposite sex. A lady will be of loose conduct if Rahu or Ketu combines with the 7th Lord and is aspected by malefics. 7th Lord occupying Lagna makes a native passionate, and if the 7th Lord is afflicted, one may be of loose morals. Venus in the 7th house makes a person extremely passionate, but Venus and Mercury together in the 7th house, one hurts for opposite sex. The Venus and Mars are interchanged. The female is interested in other men. Parasparamsayo Siddhavanijayo Ranya Prasakta Angana. When Venus, Mercury and Mars are in the 7th house, one is of perverted sex and is guilty of homosexuality. If ascendant and moon fell in the movable sign or aspecting by female or evil planets, occupies Kendra 1, 4, 7, 10. If the lady will have more than one husband. If Sun and Rahu are in 7th house, girl will have more attachments with opposite sex. Or if Venus and Mars mutually occupying each other, Navamsaka, the female will be addicted to the paramount. The Venus, Moon and Mars in the 7th house, the lady is 100% perfect before marriage, but after marriage the husband allows her to sex with the friends of the husband and also the others, just becomes prostitutes. Malefics in the 4th house indicates unchanged lady. If malefic planets are posted in Rashi or Ramsaga of Mars and Saturn, she will become concubine. If Mars and Venus are together or aspects each other or in any way connected to each other, one will be fascinated and sexy. If aspects by malefics, she will be of loose morals. Sun in 7th aspects lady includes in sex acts with opposite sex. The 7th house has Sun. The lady will be Punarbu. Again will marry other man. So similarly, the Venus, Mars and Moon are very important role in sex life of men and women. Thank you very much. I will come tomorrow with other subject. My subject is medical science and astrology. If you like my subject, you please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.